Dear friend, Jai Shri Hari. Here we are going to talk a divine story of Yogi Samrat Shri Devraha Baba Sarkar. Almighty God is only one. The first lecture of Shri Devraha Baba. Baba told Bachcha, my child, one has to go deep within the wave of words of scriptures. Only then we can understand its deep import. The supreme divine principle is only one. It appears as varied in forms. It is one that appears at many. You have to touch on your icon, deity with great faith and trust. When you reach your icon, you have reached the supreme divine principle. Almighty God gives darshan depending on a sentiment of a devotee, wherein for some he takes a bow and arrow, and sometime with a flute. By catching the path of one's scared sentiments, one has to march in the direction of Almighty God. On reaching Almighty God, everything appears as one, and never is there any separateness. Sarvan Kalvidam Brahma. There is no one big and small. All are images of Almighty God's divine sports. Child, in Puranas and scriptures, one deity is called great and other small. Its aim is only this, is that the devotee that follows the path laid down in the book attain steadfastness towards his icon deity. In order to reach the goal, you shall have to harbor steadfastness to your deity. The moment a devotee commences devotion with steadfastness and his facie becomes introverted, small big illusions get destroyed. When our vision becomes divine, then the devotee sees Almighty God everywhere. Vasudeva Miti Sarvam, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara, all are one. God says is the form of the super divine power have manifested from that one divinely sure. Initially a seeker by looking upon someone as great commences devotion, lest in the there it is no vanity. There is true zeal and faith. The more his spiritual practice becomes performed, his vision shall get amplified and tense of the facie shall decrease. The moment the facie becomes pure, the icons all pervasive nature shall be experienced, and for any reason the attitude of high-low shall never down. Separateness is there extremely, and on standing after a facie purified by austerities, embellished by piety, the icon's name from divine sports and abode. Child, 4 spiritual practices have been named for attending the icon. Name from divine sports and abode. All these 4 are conscious. If we take help even of anyone of them, one can reach the original goal. In the next part, we will continue the Shri Baba story. For more videos, please subscribe our channel. If you like this, please like, hit a bell icon button. Jai Shri Radhe. जय श्री हरि। टेक केयर, स्टे सेफ।